Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Now open your science book. The first unit is cell, tissues and organ. What is cell? Do you know about cell? Yes, it is present inside your body. Who can tell me the exact definition of cell? You don't know? Okay, I will tell you. Cell is the basic structure and functional unit of life. They are made up of tiny units, so they are called cell. Got it? Now comes to the types of cell. There are two types of cell, plant cell and animal cell. What is the difference between plant cell and animal cell? So here I will tell you about the plant cell and animal cell. So listen it carefully. Okay, the first point is cell wall. What is cell wall? Cell wall is the protective layer that is present only in a plant cell. It is not present in animal cell. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. What is the function of cell wall? It helps to keep the plant rigid. Listen to me carefully. It is only present in plant cell. It is not present in animal cell. Now the second point is cell membrane. What is cell membrane? Cell membrane is another protective layer and it is present in both plant cell and animal cell. What is the function of cell membrane? It controls what goes into and out of the cell. Okay, now comes to the third point, that is shape. What is the shape of animal cell and plant cell? Animal cells are mostly round or irregular in shape. Plant cells have fixed rectangular shape. Now comes to the fourth point, that is vacuole. What is vacuole? The vacuole is a bag-like structure. It contains a solution of sugar and salt. This solution is called cell sap. The cell sap pushes the cytoplasm up against the cell wall to keep the cell rigid. Now, how many vacuoles are present in plant cell and animal cell? In plant cell, one large central vacuole is present, and in animal cell, one or more small vacuoles are present. Students, I have told you about the difference between animal cell and plant cell. Now comes to the page number 3. There is a diagram of the plant cell and animal cell. First, look at the diagram of the plant cell. It contains a first layer, that is cell wall. It is a protective layer that is made up of material called cellulose. Second protective layer is cell membrane. The function of cell membrane is to control what goes into and out of the cell. The third is vacuole. Vacuole is a bag-like structure. It contains lots of food. Yeah, you said that it is a storage of food that a plant cell can perform their function properly. The fourth one is chloroplast. Chloroplast is present inside the leaves. It contains chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment that gives color to the plant. The next is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance which make up most of the cell. And the last is nucleus. What is the function of nucleus, or what is nucleus? The nucleus contains the substance called DNA. The nucleus carries the plans for the plant or animal cell that grows into or be a part. It controls the kind of chemicals that make in a plant cell or animal cell. It also controls when the cell divides, and it also help in reproduction. Got it? Now come to the second diagram, that is about animal cell. In animal cell, cell wall is not present, only cell membrane is present. What is the function of cell membrane? Yes, it controls what goes into and out of the cell. Second is vacuole. What is vacuole? Very good. It is the storage of food that a cell can perform their function properly. Now, third, cytoplasm. Who can tell me about the cytoplasm? Very good. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance and it is present in both plant and animal cell. What is nucleus? Nucleus contains the substance called DNA and it is present in both plant and animal cell, and it performs the same function in both the plant cell and animal cell. The last one is mitochondria. What is mitochondria? Do you know about the mitochondria? Okay, I will tell you. Mitochondria is the organelle that is present in animal cell. It produces energy for the cell. This is the function of the mitochondria in animal cell. It produces energy for the cell. Next topic on page number 3 is specialist plant cell. Although all plant cells have the same basic structure, many of them are adapted to carry out special jobs within the plant. Two examples are shown on page number 4. The first is palisade cell and the second is root hair cell. First, I will tell you about the palisade cell. That what is palisade cell? Palisade cells are mostly found in the top surface of the leaves. They have lots of extra chloroplasts. Palisade cells are present in the top surface of the leaf. They have lots of extra chloroplasts. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a green pigment that gives green color to the plant. What is the function of chloroplast in palisade cell? It traps the sunlight and carry out photosynthesis. Trap the sunlight means it captures the sunlight and carry out for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which plant can make their own food. Look at the diagram of the palisade cell. Palisade cells have cell wall, nucleus, chloroplast and vacuole. Now comes to the second cell, that is root hair cell. Root hair cell do not have chloroplast. They do not need chlorophyll as they are mostly found under the ground. Root hair cells do not have chloroplast and they do not need chlorophyll because it is present under the ground, and their job is to draw in water and mineral salt from the soil. What is the function of root hair cell? That it transfers the water or mineral salt from roots to the plant. It absorbs water from the soil, water and mineral salt from the soil, and transfer it to the other parts of the plant. They are long and thin to provide a large surface area. This is the structure of root hair cell. They are long and thin to provide a large surface area. So look at the diagram of the root hair cell. In root hair cell, nucleus is present and it also contains water and minerals that is entering inside the root hair cell. So the next topic on page number 4 is specialist animal cells. Some animal cells are adapted to carry out complicated tasks within the animal's body. There are some types of cell that is present in the animal body. The first is red blood cell. Red blood cells have no nucleus. It have biconcave shape, gives the largest surface area for absorbing oxygen. It contains hemoglobin which combines with oxygen. What is the function or job of the red blood cell? It carries oxygen around the body in the blood. Second is nerve cell. Nerve cells are very long and thin, up to 1 meter long, connections at both ends, and it can carry electrical signal. What is the function of nerve cell? It carries messages around the body. Third one is ciliated epithelial cell. These are the tiny hairs called cilia. All along the upper surfaces sweep dust and microbes along in the airway, such as the lining of the nose and windpipe, so keeping them clean. The function of the epithelial cell is it cleans the surface of the nose lining and windpipes with the help of their tiny hairs, that is called cilia.